Intelligent parking assistance systems provide an effortless and safer way to park your BMW. Park Assist, including linear guidance, can automatically park your BMW perpendicular or parallel to the street. To begin, press the parking assistance button and look to make sure the parking assistance feature is checked off. Slowly drive past the available parking spot so that the vehicle can make sure there is enough space for it to park. Once you see the notification to stop, the rest of the instructions will appear on the iDrive screen. To park, activate your turn signal. Reminder comes up that you are responsible for your surroundings. Just confirm OK. To park, take hands off the steering wheel. Hold down the parking assistance button. Release the brake and monitor your surroundings. Parking completed, you can take your finger off of the button. Enjoy every journey, including the parking. For more information on this topic or others, you can download the BMW Genius app, give us a call, or come in and book an appointment at BMW of North Haven today.